What's up, guys? My name is Johnny. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the 6x9 speakers in the back of a Honda Civic. This is a 2002 Honda Civic Coupe, but it's the same from a 2001 to a 2005, I think, on the Coupe at least. So in order to pull the back seats down, there's a lever in the trunk. You got to do one for that side, and then there's another one for this side like that. Pull the lever, then push the seat down. That gives you more space to work with. But I'm gonna push these seats back up so I can show you guys how to take out these panels right here in the back seats. But these are the speakers that we're gonna be replacing today, the left and the right. Both of them are blown, they don't work, so I was able to get some replacements, and I'm gonna put them in and show you guys how to do it. First thing you have to do here is pull that little plastic tab out with like a flathead screwdriver, and then you have one on the other side as well. So same thing, pull it out, and then inside you have a Phillips screw, so get a Phillips head screwdriver, take them out. Then get your little tool to remove the pins, just like that. Same thing on the other side, but we're missing one, so all right. Next thing you want to do is remove these quarter panels here. It's easy to remove them. Just get a good grip on it and pull it out. I'm doing it here with one hand, and it's super easy. Just pull it out and then slide it out the way, just like that. Yeah. All right. Same thing on the other side. Go ahead and grab it, get a good grip on it, and then just pull down on it. It's just being held down by pins. It'll come right off. All right, go ahead and pull it down and slide it out the way. Cool. All right, so you're gonna have to get like a pry tool, the little tool that I had there, to get that out. And that whole panel, you don't have to remove the entire panel, but you have to loosen them up, just like that. That way you can get the top one out. But look, check this out, guys. I'm laying down in the trunk facing up, and these are the pins that you have to pop up in order to release that top plastic cover part in the top of the inside of the car. So there's a bunch of those. I think there was like 8 of them. You just got to find all of them, push them out, and then that plastic part right there you can just pick it up and then slide it right out. It's a little tricky though, you guys. I had a little trouble with it, so just be patient. Eventually you'll get it out just like that. Move it out the way, and then get your you're gonna need I think these were, yeah, they're 8mm bolts. So get your 8mm socket, your ratchet, and also a wrench, 5/16 wrench. I'll show you right now why. But anyways, go ahead and loosen all these screws. Again, 8mm, I believe it was. Loosen them all up. And then when you get to that back one over there, like I said, get a 5/16 wrench. It's a lot easier because maybe if you have like a little micro ratchet, you might be able to do it. But I was having trouble. I kept hitting the window, and I didn't want to, damage it. So I got the wrench. So I got them all out. All right. So all 4, each speaker has 4 screws. I got the 4 from each speaker out. Now just grab the speaker, pull it out after you disconnect it. Don't forget to disconnect them, of course. Same thing on the other side. Go ahead and grab the speaker, pull it out. All right, cool. So go ahead and grab the new ones. Just slide them right into the slot. They fit right in. Perfect. Then just go ahead and put the bolts back in, just like that. And then again, grab your ratchet, tighten them down. Don't forget to plug them in, both left and right. And there it is. Just put everything back together. Check it out. Bam. Plugged in, ready to go. I tested them out. They work. That's pretty much it. Super easy, guys. Don't forget to unplug that though. I forgot to mention that earlier. Unplug that right there before you try to remove that plastic part. But let's go check them out, guys. Watch your head. Whoa, there it is, guys. Look at that. All right, everything is put back together. Great, awesome. Yeah, left speaker, right speaker, both have been replaced. You guys saw how easy it was. I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, thank you. Have a good day and enjoy, guys. Stay tuned for more of my videos. Peace.